Hey guys, what is up? So right now I'm actually about to fix my buddy's car. He hit something because he's an incompetent driver, and I just got to fix the paint damage. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's really easy, really simple, and it takes less than 5 minutes. So what you guys are going to need for the job is something to clean around the area of the accident or the damage, and then you're also going to need some paint thinner. And I'll show you guys how to use both of these things properly.
I got my paint thinner right here. I'm just going to take the rag that I use for the job and dab it on there. You don't want too much. Then you're going to go to the center of your little, blemish circles. As you guys can see, it's just fading away. This is something you guys can do yourselves. Don't let a body shop charge you, because body shops are expensive, and this cost my buddy $50. Can't even see that it happened. It's crazy.
Awesome.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so you can see that the damage is all considerably pretty much gone. And you guys can do this at your house. Again, this is what I used to clean the area around the accident, some Rain-X. And then I used an old rag and some Rust-Oleum paint thinner. Not bad, right? Are new viewers to the channel, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and comment down below what you guys want to see in future videos. I'm Cameron. This is my buddy's 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71 4x4, and this is me reminding you guys that on trucks like these that have accidents and stuff, you can fix it for less than $10 if you were to do it yourself and not pay somebody, LOL. I'll see you guys. Peace.